Hey, welcome back guys. This video is going to be for those who want to register their drone. Okay, if you don't have an account, get an account. But in this case, I already have an account. I'm going to add to my inventory. Okay, so basically, I'm going to log in to my account. You'll see a window like this drop down. Okay, make sure you have pop-up blockers, not block, because you don't want to get blocked. So it has this so that you can have a seamless experience with this. Click I agree, and as soon as you click I agree, the this window appears. You can add a service, but in this case I'm going to launch Drone Owners and Pilots Dashboard. So once I click that, a new screen will appear. Okay, so I have two devices in inventory. I am going to manage device inventory basically. Okay, so in this case, don't make the mistake I did. I have the Mavic 3 here, and I have Remote ID Broadcast Module. See there in the little text box? Well, in that case, we're going to add inventory. So we're going to add device. Okay, does your drone broadcast FAA Remote ID? And if you're not sure what that means, just click there and read along. Okay, now we're back there. I'm going to click yes. So after I click yes, select the type, Remote ID Broadcast Module, Standard Remote ID. Now, if you select Remote ID Module like I did the last time, right? So let's see what that is. We'll click Remote ID, right? Module, right? So that's basically a device that you attach. All right, you don't want that. Unless you have that, you do that, okay? But in this case, we're just registering the drone because the drone will do that without any assistance. So it's standard remote ID. Nickname, we're going to call it Flight Commander. Manufacturer is DJI. Model is Mavic 3. Serial number. There are a couple of ways you can get your serial number. One is from the remote control if you have your drone on. Two is from the box that you bought your drone. If you still have it, you can copy it there. Or three, if you registered with DJI Care Refresh, that serial number will be in the email. So in this case, I'm going to DACT it out, but I see, voila, I can cut and paste it in. And there's probably another way, but if you know it, please leave it in the comments area. I click Add Device. See, now it's green. See that banner? A device has been added to your shopping cart. Wow, this is great. All right, so then I'm going to click Done. Okay. And so this is my shopping cart. One device. Make sure double check everything. My nickname is Flight Commander, DJI Mavic, or Mavic, however you want to pronounce it, 3. And my serial number, which you can't see, but just imagine, it's there. Okay, remote ID, yes, standard remote ID, and of course I have to pay the $5. It's not free, so if you don't have a credit card, use a gift card or a money card, whichever. Either way, they'll take it as long as it's $5. And then you just click I have read and understand, and I fly in accordance with FAA requirements. Not really sure what that means. No, we all do. All right, click next. Okay, now you're gonna have to enter your credit card info. This I'm going to have to DACT out. Okay, for you, put in whatever number you have, but it won't be mine. All right. Of course, I have to put my address, all that fun stuff. And then you'll come to this screen. Just double check again before you pay that that's you, that's where you live, that the credit card number is correct. Most likely it is, because otherwise it probably would not let me. Some sites do that. They won't let you move to the next step. But in this case, it might not let me unless I pay. Either way, we'll find out. We're going to click Pay. You have to click I understand. I don't think anyone ever reads the fine print, but I understand. I get what they mean. And then voila, congratulations. See, voila. It says you have successfully registered your device. Your registration certificate has been sent to the email address you provided in the registration. So I'll check my email and I'm just gonna click Done. Now there are two ways you can do this. One, you can check the email, right? Or two, what you can do is you can click Manage Device Inventory, right? And of course we have, looks like I'm hogging up my memory. The latest one, which is this one here, right? remote ID, not that one, the one at the bottom. Filter by, nope, can't. So you have to go to the bottom, because remember the first one was remote ID broadcast module, but the newer one is this one. Okay, so there it is. You click on the registration number and voila, you get a little certificate. You see your certificate, your serial number. Now how do we put this on the drone? Easily, you copy the number, okay, and you use a program like Word, or there's some open source software out there that you can use that I'll leave in the description. There's a version of Word that's free. I forget, it's called Open Office or something like that. Anyway, it's free, it's open source, and it'll let you do basically what I just did. And then you just go to File, Print, and then you're done. Now this card you could actually print and keep in your bag with your drone, so they know you're registered. Always carry your trust certificate and this, but in the bag that your drone is in. This way you don't have to worry about getting it, or leave a copy in your glove box like I do. I leave a copy of everything in my glove box, everything in my wallet, and of course in the drone bag, because you never know. Sometimes I forget my bag and I just leave the drone in the car, etc. But as long as this sticker is on your drone, or this this registration number is on your drone, you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you and you're better able to move forward in registering your drone or drones. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you all next time.